Last night when I closed my eyes, I found myself in a world filled of beauty. It was a cute lady that every male eye would wish to see. I loved its nature and the freshness that blew on my skin. And I can't forget the coldness that warmed my soul and my spirit therein. It was a green world, and everywhere million trees were growing. On the highest branches, I could hear many songbirds chanting, and my soul danced rumba to each and every naked song, and the foliage swung to throw the wind on my sunny skin all along. I have many catchy stories to tell. There were 1,000 beautiful images to see. I saw the oceans, the unpolluted version of the river Nile and the Red Sea. Inside waters, smiling fish were swimming, moving their fins freely. And outside, a fisherman was eating healthy mukene with organic posho and chili. I loved its atmosphere and witnessed a conducive climate gifted by the forest, because trees were never cut anyhow and woodcutters had enough time to rest. There was enough firewood nearby, so people were setting and Narabi, drinking Tonto, Malwa, and enjoying the moonlight. You know what? Under a mango tree, a gentleman was in love with a lady so cute and so smart. She was nodding her head with a shy smile when the cowboy was pouring out his heart. In the absence of Facebook and WhatsApp, she just looked at the guy and shyly said, and now, to show off, the guy perfumed his lines with a reply in English and whispered to her. Unfortunately, when I got up, this world was nowhere to be found. I found myself in a polluted environment, stepping on thirsty ground. Where have all these beautiful cultures gone? And this mild climate, they just live in my memories. Anyway, it was just a dream, so let me go back to sleep and dream it more. I'm sorry.
I go by the name of Zentrum and this is how I'm going to articulate my words to talk about the environment. Okay. Nature, weather, the hot Scottish sun, the bushes that we burn is killing our environment. We think, green, recover. The world that we yearn for is ours to repower. So be the switch and plant the trees and clean the season, live in peace and harmony together with the plants. Chisaboka, twere, together tunaweza. Watimu unaka jen, acholi megulala, mikongo nento, bududa, the earthquakes in Turkey, Himalaya Bay, Obana here, Normatuanato. I'm going thirsty. I need some clean water. I need some clean water. Yeah, let's make a change. Let's make a change. I have some things that I want to share with you. Some words that I want to share with you. Let's rethink about what we do. Let's re-green our environment. You know, let's re-empower our nature. Those are some of the things that I would love to share with you. So, yeah, nature, weather, the hot Scottish sun, the bushes that we burn is killing our environment. We think, to green, recover. The world that we yearn for is ours to repower. So be the switch and plant the trees and clean the season, live in peace and harmony together with the plants. Chisaboka, twere, together tunaweza. Watimu unaka jen, acholi megulala, mikongo nento, bududa, the earthquakes in Turkey. Let's look green. Let's love our environment.
Kampala, Kampala, Saka Kampala, abantu bakulu, tuli bakozi.
During the day it's a hustle. In the night the front